Welcome back. Today's episode is a true story inspired by real couples who made their dream of moving to Spain a reality with SDC International Shipping. Meet Anna and Mark, a couple from Portland who spent years talking about moving abroad someday. One evening after another long week of work, they looked at each other and decided someday was now. Their vision was simple, a slower life, sunshine, and more time together. But the process felt overwhelming. What about their furniture, their car, their art collection? They quickly realized they needed a partner who had done this before. That is when they found SDC International Shipping. From the first call, their relocation specialist walked them through each step, choosing sea freight for their furniture, air freight for essentials, preparing custom paperwork, and timing delivery with their arrival in Valencia. SDC even provided temporary storage until their apartment was ready. When Anna and Mark finally opened the door to their new home in Spain, their boxes were waiting, carefully packed and delivered exactly as promised. More importantly, they arrived calm, organized, and still smiling. Today, they walk to the market each morning, host new friends, and laugh about how close they came to not doing it. We didn't just move to Spain, Anna said. We moved towards each other. Stories like Anna and Mark's are what SDC International Shipping is all about, turning the dream of moving abroad into seamless, stress-free reality. Whether you're shipping a few treasured belongings or an entire household, SDC's team of international relocation experts is there to handle every step with precision and care. From professional packing and secure ocean or air freight to custom clearance, insurance, and home delivery in Spain, SDC ensures that nothing is left to chance. Our personalized approach means your move is designed around your specific needs, timeline, and destination, so you can focus on building your new life together instead of worrying about the details. With SDC as your moving partner, you're not just shipping possessions. You're carrying your memories, your comfort, and your shared future across the ocean, safely and confidently. If you're ready to start your story, call 844-651-7050 or visit movertospain.com to get your free quote.